Hello everyone. In this wonderful day, we would like to present about a question based on differentiation. First of all, I'd like to introduce my crew members and Rubanesh as a group leader.
Hi.
Secondly, Avinash.
Hello.
And thirdly, Monesh. And finally, myself as Lily.
First of all, what is differentiation? Come, let me explain about differentiation. Differentiation in mathematical process is finding the derivative of rate of change of a function in constant to extract nature of the theory behind it. The practical technique that differentiation can be carried out purely algebraic manipulation using three basic derivatives for four rules operation and knowledge of how manipulation function. The three basic derivatives d are 1 for algebraic function dxn equals to nx n negative 1, in which is n real number. For trigonometry function d sin x equals to cosine and d cos x equals to negative x, and 3 is exponent function is dex equals to ex.
Hello everyone, my name is Dilip. Today I'm going to present about problem statement based on our question. Starting with, Mr. Johnny is an employee at King Kong Water Tank, Malaysia. He was requested by his customer to design an upgraded version of the water tank than the company usually does. He needs to come up with a blueprint that involves with the volume of the water tank. The company he works normally produce water tank with radius of 3.5 meter and 8 meter height. Mr. Johnny need to increase 0.45 meter radius and decrease 0.3 meter height to the water tank the company produce.
Hello everyone, my name is Avinash. Now I'm going to talk about application of differentiation. Mr. Johnny need to use a total differential method to find out the volume of the requested water tank to come up with the blueprint.
Hello everyone, I'm Ruben. So today I want to share about the solution for this case. The method we use is total differential method. The height given was 8.0 meter. The radius is 3.5 meter. The radius Mr. Johnny want to increase is 0.545 meter, and the height he want to decrease is 0.3 meter. So the radius is 3.5 meter, height is 8.0 meter. Delta R equals to 0.45, delta H equals to 0.3. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r squared H. Then delta V over delta R equals to 2 pi r H if we differentiate the radius, and then delta V over delta H if we differentiate the height is equals to pi r squared. So the formula for the total differential is delta V equals to delta V over delta R times by delta R plus delta V over delta H times by delta H. So we have to substitute only, equals to 2 pi r H times by delta R plus pi r squared times by delta H is equals to 2 times pi is, we can substitute as 22 over 7, times by 3.5 times by 8, and then times by 0.5 plus pi times by 3.5 square times negative 0.3, because he want to decrease the height 0.3 meters. So and then we can get 79.2 minus 11.55, and the final volume that he want to achieve is 67.65 meter cube. That's only.
Finally, for the conclusion, Mr. Johnny managed to find out the volume of the water tank for the blueprint. This proves to us that the concept of differentiation is involved in our daily life. Okay?
Well, that's all from us. Thank you guys.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you.